White looks easy enough to paint. I mean, you just apply white straight out of the tube, right? Well, not quite. So what is the secret to painting white fur? Let me start by laying out the colors on my palette. Yellow ochre, cadmium red medium, ivory black, and titanium white. Now the original Zorn palette uses vermilion, but since I can't find that one in store, I alternate between cadmium red light and medium, and sometimes mix the two to get the closest match to vermilion. Before painting over this outline pencil sketch, I'm going to add a wash of yellow ochre. By watering down the color, I can see the drawing underneath. Now I'm going to define the outline with a mix of yellow and red, and paint the dark, medium, and light values as well. A wash of color underneath will not only cover the white spaces, but it will also allow the white paint to stand out. The secret to painting white is to not use white exclusively. For this tuxedo cat, I'm going to mix some purple with black and red. Ivory Black has cool tones, so it's a good substitute for blue to make purple. Once you add a touch of white, you'll see it. Gradually adding more white to this mixture will give me medium and light values for highlights. You can experiment with any of these colors to make warm whites or cool whites for a variety of projects. To give the illusion of soft fur, I like to use the dry brush technique. Applying color when the paint on the brush is almost dry will give you a soft, hazy look. You don't have to paint every strand, just give the illusion of it. The more you paint with this limited palette, the more you'll discover, so have fun experimenting. Now it's time for me to finish this painting while you enjoy some nice background music, alright? And here's the completed portrait of this tuxedo cat. I hope you found this acrylic demo on painting white fur useful. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.